Let's not fight the airplane noise, let's just walk right into it. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. We are answering Instagram DMs right now. I've got Nick Peering on Instagram says, hey Pace, relatively new to this game. I saw this post and submitted something through the site. Can you explain how the site works? Does it just connect us with different hard money lenders? Great question. This is why we talk about lenders all the time. I made a video on our Instagram Reels talking about how you can fix and flip properties without any money. This is a property that we own just right down the road, and we got all of our money from a company called myinvestorloan.com. So myinvestorloan.com is a website and a company that is one lender. It's not multiple lenders, it's one lender. The person that we work with over there is Tim. Tim at myinvestorloan.com gives us all of our rehab money and our purchase money for our fix and flips. So what you do is you go in there, you go into the portal, you submit the address to the house that you're trying to purchase, and Tim and his team over at myinvestorloan.com will work through and get you the money you need for your fix and flip. What's cool about it is not only do we use myinvestorloan.com for fix and flip money, but we use myinvestorloan.com for our long-term rental money. They do fixed 30-year loans at really low rates, and they are asset-based only. The thing about asset-based lending is that most people think that in order for me to fix and flip, I have to have credit and I have to get a lot of experience and a lot of that kind of stuff. What's great about myinvestorloan.com is that I can get money for a fix and flip without any of that. And what's even better is, let's say I decide to keep that flip as a long-term rental and keep it in my portfolio. My investor loan will refinance me out with 30-year loans, asset-based. That means they're not gonna base the decision to lend to you on your credit. They're gonna base the decision on the house that you purchase, and they're gonna say, wow, this is a great investment. Yes, we'll give you this loan for 30 years until you pay it all the way off. We did 7 of them this month. That's also called the BRRRR method. A lot of people think I hate the BRRRR method, which I don't. I just don't like people believing that the BRRRR method is a new person strategy. BRRRR method is not for new people, okay? If you're doing your first deal, doing the BRRRR is usually not the greatest way to go because it requires credit, requires a lot of capital, requires whatever. But My Investor Loan will not only give us money on our fix and flips, but they give us money on our long-term rentals. In fact, we are planning on buying an entire apartment complex with myinvestorloan.com as well. So they do multiple different types of loans. So go to myinvestorloan.com. Hopefully that helps you out. Everything we buy comes from myinvestorloan.com. It's what allows us to buy houses cash with none of our own cash and none of our own credit. So if you go to myinvestorloan.com, it's kind of an ambiguous website and you punch information in, you're like, okay, what's next? Well, what's next is you submit the information, somebody on their team gets back to you. So go to myinvestorloan.com if you need money for your fix and flips or your long-term rentals. We'll see you in the next IG DM answering with another airplane flying overhead. Later.